This is Heathen Airsoft, and I've got another unboxing for you today. This unboxing comes from eBay. It's a pair of AOR2 pants for my loadout. So these are small regular pants that are 27-31 inch waist and inseam 29.5 to 32.5 inches. So just a quick unboxing for my Navy SEAL inspired loadout, because obviously gotta go with these were the cheaper option to get the ones, because the knee pads, or the Cry Precision ones that take the external knee pads, are crazy money. So yep, just a quick unboxing from eBay. Got it on eBay for $54 plus $6 for shipping. So that's just another quick unboxing for you. That's the AOR2 pattern, or the Navy Working Uniform Type 3. This has been Heathen Airsoft. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the fields of battle. Thank you.